In this tutorial I will show you how to make these images for free. In this tutorial I will show you how to make these images for free. Make these images for free. Open your browser, search for Bing AI image. Write your prompt. Prompt in description. Here, after you finish writing it, click.
After a few seconds, here is the result.
Results. Click on an image to see it from. Here you can download it or save it or. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Leave your comments below if you have any question.